Hello, so we're back, and this time we have an interesting job. It's Sunday morning, we just finished the coffee stream, and I believe what we have here is a easy repair. I mean, we have a customer with a Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Motherboard earpiece connector pin damage. So what the customer is saying, he want exactly this pin to be replaced, like the one which is touching the speaker. It's a gentleman called Mike. Can we help Mike? I mean, this looks like a pretty easy, straightforward job. So he sent me, I mean, I didn't check yet, but let's see what he sent here. Donor board, to take the pin out from the donor board. Then the pins, 1 second. Not sure what he's saying here, but I'm assuming the pins is touching there. Repair board, and that's the job number. You know what? 1 second. I think I know. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second. Because I'm gonna tell you what I did. Yeah, I think I remember. Let me check the job number. I think I proposed to the customer a dodgy repair, and he didn't want a dodgy repair, if I remember. Yeah, yeah. So the customer wanted the pin to be replaced. Yeah, I told the customer, you know what? I don't have that pin to replace it. So what I can do, I can use one wire and fix your problem. I can fix the problem, but I don't have a spare board to replace that pin. Usually a solder wire should do the job. Please let me know if you want to fix it like that. Yeah. And the customer sent me that donor board to take the pin out. I mean, that was a simple job, just use a solder wire instead of the pin. But no, the customer want the pin back. I'm always honest when I have to pick up the repair solution. Now, I'm not sure why he sent me this board, because we have this donor. You think he's supposed to take the pin from here? 1 second, I'm still confused with. Oh, okay, so this is coming. 1 second. So this board should be like that, with the connectors down, and probably this one here somewhere. Let's check under the microscope. I mean, I'm not sure. Earpiece speaker. So the board is like that. Oh, here. Here, let's have a look under the microscope. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, that pin. So what do you think? Can we fix it? It is an easy job. Just say it. I'm not sure if we should use hot air or just. I think we should use hot air, because if I'm using the solder iron, yeah, definitely we should use hot air. Let me find a small nozzle. 360 degrees. Let's take that pin out. So that one is moving and this one is not moving. Why? Okay, it is moving. So we took the pin out. Let's use a little bit of solder. 180 degrees solder wire. Perfect. Good. So what the customer is saying is to take a pin from here, like this one. Yeah, we can take that pin and the pin is out. The pin position should be like that. Perfect. This one is straight. Looking good, right? So the pin is flexing, which is fine. Now the hard part is coming, and the hard part is to figure it out if it will work for customer or not. I mean, you can check with ground the pins, right? So checking with ground, no sure. But the way you have to check the speaker pins, and that's very important, you go on the diode mode, and you should have reading on the diode mode because these pins are connected to a bridge audio amplifier. We have reading, check that, you can see. So here we have 1.2. The speaker is good, has 6 ohms, you can see. Yeah. So if the customer is connecting the speaker here, it will work. I mean, yeah, I can see the pins touching exactly the pads of the speaker. Yeah, there, you can see them. You can also see the speaker pushing the pins down. That means the pins are reaching the speaker pad. So what do you think? It was a hard job. We helped the customer. We check the pins if they are connected to the amplifier. Looks like they are connected. We check the speaker. Look like the speaker is good. That's like 6-7 ohms. You see, not all the jobs are hard, but for this kind of job, probably you need a microscope. Maybe if you have good eye, you can do it without the microscope. Yeah. So we soldered the pin exactly like in the picture. It was hard. Easy pizza. I mean, I'm not sure if I can charge a pizza for this repair. Yeah, probably a pizza I can charge for this repair. Yeah, the pizza is exactly like the diagnosis fee, so it's the same thing. Sure, yeah, definitely a easy pizza job. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. I'm happy I helped the customer. I will say enjoy your Sunday and see you on the next one. Bye.